everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a fairly quick short video for you guys, but these were so cute I just wanted to show them to you. So I made these cute little fairy dust glass vials for my May Junk Journal Happy Meal kit over on Patreon, and I'm going to show you how I made this little charm here and how I put it together, and then put this little screw on here. So stay tuned for that. And then on the inside of the vial, I just had some of these micro beads, and I've had these for a super long time, and I just thought these blue and white would be perfect for kind of a fairy garden theme. And then of course this little kind of like snowflake mica, and so that's what I put inside of them, and I really think they came out cute. And the glass vials, they are, some of them are Tim Holtz and some of them are Dollar Tree. I kind of had a mix of both of them, but the little lobster claw here, so you can take this off if you want to and use it on something else, or you can leave it. And then what's cool is you can attach this to a spine dangle on a spine if you wanted to add this charm. And I'm going to hot glue these cork stoppers into the glass so that they will stay in there. So keep watching and I'll show you how I put these together. I wanted to show you a little close-up here of these little, what do we call them? Little tiny vials, glass vials. And I'm putting a little, what are these called too? Screw eyelets into the top of these. These are going to be little secret fairy dust vials that are going in my May Patreon Junk Journal kit. If you're in the bluegrass tier, then you'll get one of these. So I just wanted to kind of show you, it's pretty easy. These are cork, and you just kind of start to screw that in there. And then I'm going to hang some beads off of these. See? Alright. So I just wanted to do that angle so you could see it okay. Alright, I wanted to show you how I put these little charms together. It's a little, some little wings that I've clipped onto the little eye hooks, eye screws that I put in here. So I'm just taking a eye pin and I'm putting 3 of these little blue seed beads on here. So I have 3 of the seed beads. And then I put the dragon, or not dragon wings, but just the wings. And then I'm going to put 3 more of the seed beads on here. And then I take my pliers. So these are the round nose pliers, and I first I put it just almost right up to that last bead, and I pull it towards me a little bit, and then I take my other set of pliers and I wrap it around that outside plier. And then I move it from the one away from me to the one close to me, and then I continue to bring this wire around. The wings make it a little tricky because they get in the way a little. There we go. And then I bring it around, and then I'm going to put it back on the one away from me, and I'll finish wrapping. Oops. I got to wrap it a little bit more this way first. Get it up and over. And then I put it back on this outside one. And then I can finish wrapping that down. And so now I have this cute little charm, and then these are little cutters right here. So I just put that right up in the pliers right there. You see that? And then I do a snip. And then it snips it right off. And then I just kind of push that loose piece down a little bit. And then I take one of these little jump rings and I twist. I hold one steady and I twist the other one away from me. And then I put this on. And then I put one of these lobster claws on. And then I twist it back and close it up. And there I have my sweet little wings. And then I just clip it onto this little guy. So aren't they so cute? And then I'm going to fill them up with some fairy dust, if you will. And it's really just some little micro beads and then some mica flakes. And then I'm going to hot glue the lid down in there so it'll stay on. And so that is a little fairy charm. Thank you all so much for watching. And I hope you kind of give these a try. They aren't that expensive. You know, you can get these glass vials at the Dollar Tree. Now you will need to invest in some jewelry items. So I have some pliers here. These are just regular pliers, and then these are the jewelry round pliers. You'll also need to get some lobster claws and some of those screw eyelets and some jump rings here. And then you'll also need to get some of these straight pins that are for jewelry. And the best thing to do is kind of wait till they're on sale, and then you can get them when they're 40 or 50% off. And then these are the seed beads that I used. They're tiny. I forget what size they are. And I can't read that, but I'll put that there. Maybe you all can read it. All right, I'll see you all on the next video. Bye. Love y'all.